Alright, I'm here today to dig a trench to install a new electric service to this new garage. So the electric's going to be coming in right there and coming from the house, which is over there. Alright, I already started digging. It's going to be coming out right there with the conduit. Alright, so this is the garage. The electrician's already got some of the stuff in place in here. For a garage door opener right there. Got some lights. Some switches, plugs. Motion light outside. There it is coming out of the house. finished filling this trench back in. The site looks pretty good. She said at some point, I think next year, she probably wanted to redo this sidewalk, maybe put some pavers on it or something. So, but that still looks decent. And over here in front of the garage, the plan was to bring in more gravel, probably next spring, to build it up a little bit more. So at the very end, my excavator decided to break. I didn't look at it too much yet, but it looks like just the radiator cap, the whole housing decided to rip off the radiator. So, you know, I've never really seen that happen before, but I could probably solder it or JB weld it, but at least it happened at the very end. So see what I got to do to fix this. Guess if I take this hood off so it's out of the way, I'll have room to solder it. And it looks like it's a brass radiator, so I solder, and it's the better way to fix it. All right, cool. 4 bolts, and that's a lot easier to get to. All right, there's the cap. All right, well, that goes just like that. I'm going to put a little bit of this flux on it. That help draws in the solder. Now for the solder, for doing radiators, the rosin core, and then it's a 40-60. I think that's either 40 or 60% lead. That seems to work best for auto radiators. You wouldn't want to use the lead solder for plumbing pipe that you're drinking. So. All right, I just finished soldering this, so that should be fixed. I mean, I can't certainly pull it right off. All right, to test it for leaks, I'll put the cap back on it. Spray some bubbly soap around where I soldered it. and then take some compressed air. That's no, that's fixed. All right, I'll just run it with the trunk off it the first time, just to make sure to keep an eye on it.